Welcome Hot Wheels Redline Club collectors. Today I'm doing an unboxing and a review in a separate video of the Hot Wheels RLC 2024 1971 Lamborghini Miura P400 SV in Spectra Flame Lime Green. This was my most anticipated RLC car of the entire year. This was the car that I wanted most out of all the cars for the year, even though this year was a really good year for RLC and there was a lot of amazing vehicles. This one and the McLaren F1 were sort of the top of my list. I am really glad to have been able to have gotten this, and coincidentally, this car did not sell out on the first day it was produced, which is very strange. I don't understand Hot Wheels collectors. This is one of the most beautiful cars that there's ever been made, so I don't know why you wouldn't not want this beauty. Here's the moment of truth. It is absolutely stunning. Features an opening front clamshell hood and an opening rear hood so you can see the detailed engine, and it features really nice classic real riders. And some people don't like these wheels, but I think they're spot on. They look really nice. They're not 100% period correct to the original car. I don't know why this screw on this one is so damn tight. Holding it by the plastic base itself seems to actually be working better than holding it by the car. I didn't realize you could do that. This is one of those duh moments, I guess. Oh my god, holy shit. Christ, that was ridiculous. I don't understand why that was so tight. Here's the bottom of the base. Here's the Miura. Here's the bottom of the car. So I don't know why that was so difficult. The silver detail here down there is perfect. Mine has a little spot in the paint there, and it's lovely. The hell is that? I think I found an error. And apparently this tire has silver paint on it from rubbing against something. It's rubbing off on my finger. Very strange. Does anybody else have that error? The car looks really nice. And now we'll check out. So that's the open position for displaying the model on the ground, but apparently you open it once more so you yourself can actually view it better. And the engine is transverse. Looks very nice, it's detailed enough. The hinge back here works very well. So it has two notches there and there. Comes together nicely. It's nice that it's painted black on this side. It would be nice if they would have painted the inside black there. But that's okay. Okay, let's check the front clamshell. Just a moment of truth. There's the spare tire. Looks very nice. And there's some other details in there. There's a red horn. Looks cool. closure on this car is better than on the Jaguar E-Type and on the BMW M3, so that's nice. I can't believe some people are sleeping on this car. Didn't purchase it because it's absolutely gorgeous. There's a little scuff there on the fender. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's kind of unfortunate, but I love this green, and hopefully Mattel will make a second recolor of this car for the RLC for 2025. I'm hoping, as much as people aren't going to like this, Spectraflame yellow would be really awesome because a lot of these cars came in yellow, or Spectraflame orange I think would be really awesome because it's an iconic color for the Miura. It would be orange, so I think that would look really, really cool. Check out my turntable video and longer review where I compare this Miura with the Hot Wheels mainline Miura and the Hot Wheels ID Miura. They all have sort of different features, so it'll be interesting to compare and contrast to see which one has the better look. But this car definitely has more realistic proportions